So I see a lot of creators does this. So if you use the sound, I will comment your video, like your post, like your videos, and even subscribe.